I do what I do.
Big deal. This was meant for the children of slaves, and look at the timing of it, and you'll see. And I hope.
Yes, this is meant for African Americans, foundational Black Americans, not every old body that comes through the border. Okay,
judges will understand that, and it has to stop.
We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway.
All right, you see what I'm saying? Now let's get back to this young lady, because your president let everybody know that he is the one that started it, not Black Americans. But you have all of this animosity built up to Black Americans, and we didn't do anything. You all voted for him. These sweet, wonderful, beautiful African American people that you talk so bad about voted for this Kamala Harris. 86%. That's 92% of these wonderful, loving, thoughtful Black women, and that's 79% of these wonderful, kind-hearted Black men. Now, I wasn't one of them, okay? I wanted to see you gone, and I also wanted to get my taxes low. Now, the taxes was more important, but, you know, I'm just saying, I'm not one of them. I'm not like them. They're very kind. I'm really not that kind. Some would say I'm kind of mean, you know what I'm saying? But the nice Black people, they voted for you all and in your best interest. I voted for my interest, and that really kind of is focused on my wallet, my bank account, okay? But the nice Black people voted for it. They wanted to keep you here. I just want you to know that. But let's go ahead and let this brother put these hot flames to your little booty right quick.
I know this woman personally.
Damn.
We were co-workers, and she probably should have contacted me before making this video.
Oh,
Chica,
no.
you're out of touch. Black.
Oh, no. Did you hear that? That's my coworker. I know her. Oh, no. It's about to get bad quick. I can tell. He ready. Let's leave.
Lives Matter has nothing to do with the real Black community, and they got exposed for that.
I feel vindicated because 2 years ago I said that this organization was a disingenuous scam, and it has proven itself to be a disingenuous scam.
That's true. We don't control Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter is controlled by like 3 alphabet ladies and George Soros or something like that. We don't have anything. We believe that Black Lives Matter, but we don't control the organization called Black Lives Matter Incorporated. All right, but let's keep listening.
You claim that we quick to forget, but I'm not quick to forget that you personally told me that you had to hide all of your Black boyfriends from your parents because they would trip out. Oh, I know you remember that conversation. And with that being said, there's an entire generation of y'all that don't even like us.
Ooh, did you hear that? I didn't say it. I don't know nothing. I'm just YouTube people, I'm just playing what the brother said. The brother said what he said was, okay, he said that he knows you and you told him, ma'am, that you hiding all your Black boyfriends. Okay, now you done been on the internet too long. You've been talking a lot. Okay, you done talk so much that people are, pulling out receipts, and that's what the internet does. You see, you can't be out here talking about, us Black people, and you around here laid up with some Black men, not just one apparently. That's what shocking. You just a repeat offender out there. What happened to Blanqueamento? How you gonna make the race better if you out there laying up with the chocolate war gods? you out there, you out there with the midnight marauders. I mean, I'm just saying, ma'am, you talking bad about Black people, and you rolling with the you out there with the mandingos. I'm just saying, look, gotta do better. You gotta do better. Let's let the brother finish this thing. You look, I'm saying she need to
definition.
You might want to relax on that. That was smoking hot. Y'all go over there and tell that brother he keep on doing that work. But the thing is, again, they brought this on themselves. You understand what I'm saying? This is what they did. They brought this all on themselves. and they want to come down on us.
One, I'm Aquarius moon, and I'm a rebel, and this is amazing to me. And I'm a shadow worker. That's the biggest thing. And I know that everything happens for a reason.
She like a witch. That's what that means. She's a shadow worker. Ooh, she's a shadow worker. Let's see what the sister.
And when there's opposition, that means something different needs to happen.
Yeah.
We've been in this position way too many times, us as a black community, period. We have to do something different. But as black women, like that man who was saying that his mother told him, when you in trouble, run to a black woman. That's because we have been everybody's charging stations.
Shout out to Zay show story.
Come to us. We'll help you. We'll pat you on the back. We'll breastfeed your babies because we had to. We'll do this. We're in a healthcare field because we're always taking care of some goddamn body. They want to call us masculine because we had to work ever since this place was taken over. Worry about yourself. Don't listen to what anyone.
This is before. This is before the election, right? This is before the election. They was thunderclapping for Donald Trump, right? Remember that, right? Well, remember, I just want you all to remember, we would I wasn't left out, but the 92%, they was looking at y'all like, we won. And now it's like night and day. Where your MAGA hats at? Whip your MAGA hats out.
And let this presidency be a lesson that when a bitch tell you who the fuck they are, believe them.
Sir, language, sir, language now. Listen, he turned up on this.
When they tell you in your face they don't fuck with you.
Sir, we run a family-friendly broadcast here, sir. You're going to have to watch that language. I mean, you got to watch the profanities there.
Believe them.
Congratulations, y'all got what y'all wanted. I don't want to hear nobody complaining about shit.
Sir.
Because I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck if they shut the whole earth down. Oh, motherfucking well.
Yeah, he did too much cussing. We can imagine what he's saying, though. He really going in, the language is a little too aggressive with the curse words. Let him get it out. Get it on out, brother. Get it on out. All right. Yeah, we know. You going in. We know what you're saying. Your bonnet on. He got a bonnet. Okay, let's go, sister.
Our motto for the next 4 years is, why the fuck you calling us?
Yeah.
And, baby, let me say this. When it comes to January 19th, Twiggy-Bird, I'm not going no motherfucking where. Y'all gonna have to drag me off this bitch.
He back again.
And you say that shit like I'm supposed to give a fuck. Like I got a connection to all them other immigrants that's all, they gotta be known. I'm not black. I can't stand black Americans. Black, you talking about them same immigrants, right? I see some Afro, Latinos, Caribbeans, Africans, and I don't give a fuck. Whoever it is, we don't care. I'm standing on business. I don't give a fuck.
Okay, so that's another thing we need to address. I've noticed recently in a lot of video footage on the internet, on Al Gore's internet, that there's a lot of Caribbeans and a lot of Africans who are developing understanding. I'm just saying, this is what I've noticed. I don't know if you all have noticed it, but I've noticed it. So must be that heat.
This means you are 10 steps behind. And for you to be able to compete, you need to be 20 times above the average. In my former job, there was this new position that came up. I applied for the new position. And there was this newly employed white dude that I trained 1 month prior before the position.
You train him, and then what happened, brother? What happened then? You have to work hard, my brother. You have to work harder.
It's my greatest surprise. He got the position. They didn't give it to me.
So you are telling me that you trained the white boy to do the job, and then after you trained the white boy to do the job, they gave the job to the white man, and you had to stay in the position that you had. You have to work harder, brother. Work harder. Somebody type work harder in the chat room.
Educational wise, I was more qualified. Skill wise, I was more skillful. As a matter of fact, I was the one that trained him. I didn't know I was training my boss.
You were training him, but you had more education, more skill, but you were not white. Okay, you're not Mozugu. Okay, that's the problem. You need to understand. This is what the black American been telling you so long. Okay, we try to tell you, did not listen. Now you're learning for yourself. Work harder. Somebody type work harder in the chat room.
I said to myself, so this is what African Americans go through every day to survive.
Yes,
if
brother,
there was a day or a time I ever discredited you guys, I'm sorry.
Yes, you did. You discredit. You were wrong. I tried to tell you, you were wrong. You were so wrong, but that's okay. You're learning now. Okay, go ahead, brother. Work hard. Work harder.
I'm really sorry from my heart. I'm sorry. I didn't know what I was doing then.
We're going to let you keep living more, but I'm glad you apologized to me, because see what happened? They turn the heat up, you know, and now everybody want to get on Al Gore's internet and apologize to Black Americans for what they learned. That's good. Work harder. Somebody type work harder in the chat room.
What's up? Welcome to the broadcast. This is Uncle D.
People wash their ass in the tub, Kamala Harris.
You were tuned in to Uncle D. D's Black Man Talk. Pull up, homie, take a seat. Don't be a shadow watcher every day. You learn something, then you earn something. Let them know and drop some money in the plate. It's getting cold, ladies, talking ratchet. Lizard King here, grab your coat, zip your jacket. Keep quiet for a second, close your jaw. Attorney Spurling, this ain't pearly, know the law. Talking Constitution, pushing pins when he shooting, give him that. Masculinity, just for the record, sprinkle that. You can keep your cat, gotta cut it. Only cat he rubbing, gotta love it. I call it Molly Buddy. Gotta vote your interest, voting earns. Presidential, this is for the money that I earn. When you gon' learn, my people, that evil mixed with evil. No matter what you're doing, baby, this ain't equal. Sometimes when you're special, you get hated. The test is for the best, you're damn right, my people made it. Uncle D, Blizzard King, you been served, gotta notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now. Uncle D, you been served, get your notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now. Uncle D, you been served, get your notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now. Uncle D, you been served, get your notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now.
Hey man, I'll do what I do.
Somebody need to whip your ass.
Get up and whip him, Sweets.
Hey, don't be putting the money in my hand all rough.
Take your ass out here. You buy you a Flowbee and cut your own damn hair from now on.